If I am to be asked, I will say that one thing to comprehend about is that man is a creature of sentiments as well as of reasons. These two forces need not be opposed, but contradictions persist. In particular, we tend or we are inclined to form strong sentimental attachment to someone or something when we know that change is the ultimate law of nature. Then, there will come a very crucial point when the only rational consideration is to abide and to adapt to certain changing conditions, but powerful sentiments resist and hold us back. Also, I think it is a common mistake among us to just live with our expectations without realizing change to interfere in the process of life. Hardly there is a constant variable in the system of life. We shall realize between idealism and realism, and to what extent should we use these two ideologies for us not to be too hopeful or too optimistic to the point of foolishness. A difficult time can be more readily endured if we retain the conviction that our existence holds a purpose, a cause to pursue, a person to love, a goal to achieve, and lastly, I think dynamics to accept and changes to respect. Thank you.